Tired of motorcycles that break down and cost a fortune in repairs? What if I told you there's a stable of Yamaha motorcycles out there, crafted well and so inherently reliable, they're practically built to last a lifetime? Intrigued? Well, you should be. Today, we're counting down 13 Yamaha motorcycles that get damn close. The ones you could probably ride forever with just basic care. Kicking off our list at number 13 is the Yamaha SR400 SR500. These classic motorcycles were manufactured from 1978 through 2021 because they draw motorcyclists with their basic vintage style. The single-cylinder Yamaha SR400 and SR500 engines come with appropriate displacement ratings at 400cc for SR400 and 500cc for the SR500 model. Our entry at number 13 features this affordable vintage entry due to its muted power output, which delivers enjoyable rides suitable for urban travels. Such motorcycle models offer both affordable pricing and solid construction, starting from $5,000 up to $6,000. Did you know that the SR500 was discontinued earlier, around 1999, due to emissions, but was iconic in cafe racer culture? People continue to love these classic motorbikes because they maintain superb reliability alongside their traditional appearance. The Yamaha XT600 XT660 ranks number 12 on our list for its rugged capabilities. The XT600 debuted in 1983, later evolving into the XT660 in 2004. Both models excel at taking riders from city streets to wild trails. These bikes feature a 4-stroke engine with a displacement of 600cc to 660cc. They produce 40 to 45 horsepower. The engine and transmission work well for city rides and off-roading alike. Priced around $5,500, these durable machines are ready for adventure. The 2018 World Crosser came with carbon fiber side panels and aluminum mesh protectors that gave the bike a unique appearance. Also, the plastic fork protectors were replaced by carbon fiber ones. In addition, the bike was fitted with a set of stickers that pointed out its special package, letting riders know which one was the blessed model. Also, the fuel tank featured protection pads, increasing the grip while riding, standing, or seating. As the bike was intended to run on rough terrain, the maker installed a shaft shield, a stronger skid plate, and a rear brake protector, all of which were made of anodized aluminum that enhanced durability. Rolling in at number 11 is the legendary Yamaha YZFR1, a true icon in the world of sport bikes. Produced from 1999 to 2020, the R6 has become synonymous with high-performance riding. Its 599cc inline 4-cylinder engine delivers nearly 120 horsepower in its later models, making it a favorite for riders who enjoy both the track and spirited street rides. Though production may have tapered off in some markets, the R6 continues to inspire awe among bike enthusiasts. For those looking to buy, prices for nearly new or certified pre-owned models usually start around $12,900. The R6 remains a testament to Yamaha's flair for designing machines that blend performance with precision. The R6 was discontinued for street use in the US in 2020 due to Euro 5 emissions, but track-only versions continued under the R6 race model. Ever wondered why the R6, despite its aggressive sport bike image, became popular among both track enthusiasts and everyday riders? Absolutely, it's the blend of high revving performance and everyday practicality. The R6 managed to offer the adrenaline rush of nearly 120 horsepower while still providing manageable handling and reliability off the track. This combination made it versatile enough for daily commuting as well as thrilling rides on the circuit. At number 10, we spotlight the Yamaha Vstar 1300. Produced between 2007 and 2017, this cruiser is all about pure comfort and timeless style. It's powered by a robust 1300cc V-twin engine that produces ample torque for smooth highways and relaxed long rides. The Vstar 1300 is typically priced at around $9,500, making it a top pick for those who crave a blend of vintage cruiser aesthetics and modern power. Its design and performance ensure that it remains a go-to choice for riders who want a dependable bike with loads of character. At number 9, we delve into adventure, touring with the Yamaha Super Tennere 1200. Manufactured from 2010 to 2021, this bike is purpose-built for long journeys and off-road excursions alike. The Super Tennere 1200 is equipped with a 1200cc twin-cylinder engine that outputs around 118 horsepower, delivering the power and torque needed for challenging terrain. Whether you're planning an expedition or a long highway cruise, its robust engineering stands out. Priced at about $17,000, this adventure tour perfectly marries performance with reliability, giving you the confidence to explore wherever the road or trail may lead. Cruising in at number 8 is the Yamaha Vstar 650. Launched in 1997 and produced until 2016, this cruiser is known for its friendly size and reliable performance. With a 650cc V-twin engine that produces about 50 horsepower, the Vstar 650 offers a great mix of fun riding and fuel efficiency. Its easy handling makes it a top choice for new riders. Priced at around $6,300, it's a stylish and dependable option for daily use. Many riders have embraced this bike for its simplicity and charm. At number 7, we feature the Yamaha YZFR1. In production since 1998, the R1 is a superbike that blends cutting-edge technology with thrilling performance. Powered by a 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine, it can generate nearly 200 horsepower in the latest models. This delivers an exhilarating ride with precise handling. Typically valued at around $17,400, the R1 represents Yamaha's racing legacy and commitment to performance. Whether on a racetrack or a winding road, the R1's speed and precision leaves a lasting impression. Modern motorcycling is, generally speaking, evolutionary and not revolutionary. Over the last decades, there have been few bikes that truly represented such great leaps forward that they should be considered landmark machines. But the 1998 Yamaha YZFR1 was a true revolution. Its lineage continues today, but it all began with the first generation model that debuted in 1998 and ran until 2001. It was a tremendous combination of good engineering and fortunate timing, stunningly lightweight, strikingly powerful, and giant steps ahead of its competitors. Sliding into number 6 is the Yamaha FCFL version 3.0. Launched in 2019, this bike combines modern styling with everyday practicality. Its design is both sporty and comfortable, perfectly suited for urban riding. Powering the FCFL version 3.0 is a 149cc fuel-injected engine that produces around 12 horsepower. This is just enough to give you a zippy, efficient ride through city streets while keeping fuel consumption low. Priced at roughly $3,000, this model offers excellent value for those who demand reliability and style in a compact package. The FCFL version 3.0 is a brilliant example of how Yamaha mixes economy with performance in an unassuming yet durable motorcycle. Quick question: what's your favorite Yamaha of all time? Drop it in the comments before we hit the top 5. Position number 5 belongs to the Yamaha FCS25. This 2020 bike stands as a new Yamaha model targeted toward modern urban riders while having capabilities beyond city limits. The FCS25 comes from its 250cc Dimension power unit, which generates approximately 20 horsepower. The FCS25 offers a perfect power-to-efficiency balance that allows riders to manage roads in cities and beyond. The FCS25 offers technology at an affordable price of $4,200 to buyers. The bike shows both excellent modern styling and trustworthy operational capabilities, which makes it suitable for confronting contemporary riding requirements while representing durability and fashion. At number 4, we circle back to another urban favorite, the Yamaha FCS FI version 3.0. The FCS25 first appeared in 2019 to establish revolutionary urban commuting principles with its design and efficiency features. There is a 149cc FCS FI version 3.0 engine that produces 12 horsepower while delivering both efficiency and torque output. This motorcycle sells for approximately $3,000, making it suitable for students and people who need it for daily urban transportation. The FCS FI version 3.0 maintains its sporty appearance with its sleek looks, yet it surpasses city environments every day due to its reliable engineering. The motorcycle brings together pleasure and practicality through its construction as an enduring combatant of cities. Now, let us address one of the most common doubts among motorheads. How does Yamaha ensure that their bikes remain timeless and enduring? Yamaha's secret lies in its relentless commitment to innovation and quality. By continually refining engine technology, improving materials, and listening to rider feedback, Yamaha builds bikes that not only perform on today's roads, but are also designed to stand the test of time, resulting in models that remain popular decades after their introduction. Zooming into our top 3 is the Yamaha MT15. Since 2018, the MT15 has been a standout thanks to its bold aesthetics and agile performance in the urban jungle. The heart of the MT15 is a 155cc liquid-cooled engine that delivers about 18 horsepower, providing just the right kick for navigating busy streets or enjoying a weekend ride on twisty roads. With a starting price near $4,300, this bike offers a blend of futuristic styling and impressive performance in a compact, nimble package. It's designed for riders who want to feel a connection with their bike without sacrificing the convenience of modern technology. The 2018 Yamaha MT15 is a popular entry-level sports bike known for its aggressive styling and performance, particularly in the Indian market. Reviews generally praised its handling and engine while noting some concerns about seat comfort and a lack of dual-channel ABS. The MT15 was positioned as a performance-oriented option within the 150cc segment, drawing inspiration from the larger MT series. The runner-up position belongs to the Yamaha YZFR1, which occupies position number 2. Sport bike novices choose the R15 because this bike bridges advanced design and energetic performance attributes that create an accessible, exciting experience. The R15 contains an aerodynamic shape, which protects a 155cc liquid-cooled engine, creating near 18 horsepower. The R15 offers performance enthusiasts access to both novice-level benefits and sport bike features at a reasonable cost that typically stands around $3,500. Youth riders alongside motorcycle enthusiasts share their love for the R15 because of its sporty design features, together with superior handling qualities, confirm Yamaha's leadership in building exciting, reliable machines. And finally, we're arriving at the top of our countdown, and number 1 goes to the legendary Yamaha MT07. Since 2014, the MT07 became the industry standard for how a naked bike should perform with versatility combined with power and thrilling riding experiences. The light motorcycle operates using a 689cc liquid-cooled parallel twin power plant to generate 74 horsepower. The MT07 engine delivers perfect power-to-torque performance, which allows users to move smoothly between streets, highways, or countryside curves. With a price tag of $7,600, the configuration delivers versatile performance that is suitable for a beginner or an experienced motorcyclist. The bike provides a clean appearance with intuitive operations, together with a durable construction that transforms it into a genuine experience for users. The MT07 represents Yamaha's expertise to unite practicality with exceptional performance features that guarantee its popularity into the future. So yeah, that wraps up our countdown of 13 almost perfect Yamaha bikes that are destined to stand the test of time. If you have a favorite from our list or one you think should be mentioned, let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do check out our previous video. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. I'll see you in the next one.